If you guys don't know, this is a fully electric Porsche, and it has one of the craziest launches. Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shoot.
2, 3.
Are we putting it on a tow truck tonight?
I think we might.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We have a lot of exciting things to do today. We're gonna go to some car meets, maybe do some racing with the M4 and see how she's doing and everything. But right now, actually, we are going to head over to Colorado N5X. Brian just got a new wrap on his X3M, so we're gonna go ahead and film the reveal video for it. So it should be fun. Maybe I'll be able to show the color of it. We'll see. I might have to black it out. But we should have his video uploaded before, so I should be able to show you the color and everything. So yeah, it should be a really fun day with all the cars. So yeah, let's head over there. All right, guys, we just got to Colorado N5X. Look how small my car looks next to Billy's new truck. This is ridiculous. My car looks like a Hot Wheel next to it. But yeah, we're at the shop. We're gonna head inside and see what the game plan is for checking out the X3M.
Hello, sir.
What are you doing? Are you doing?
5X.
Are you the new desk girl?
Yeah.
Where's your makeup and long hair?
I don't need that.
I don't know. I'm doing it.
We got Brian right here.
I mean, I look at the videos.
Mr. Billy. I was just saying my car looks like a Hot Wheel next to your truck.
Like a what?
Like a Hot Wheel next to his truck.
Sick. Alright.
You excited about the new color?
I'm excited about the new color. I'm ready. I'm excited for a lot of things. X3M, 335. Just pick that up.
Yeah, you got a lot of big things coming for yourself. We're about to get some good content today.
Wednesday? It comes in Wednesday.
Heck yeah, man.
So.
Yeah, guys, so as you know, he sold his F80, so he did get a new E92 335, so he's going to be building that on his channel. So yeah, it's going to be a good time. He's going to pick that up soon. All right, guys, here's Mike's 135, also the car that I took the rotiforms off of. He's getting ready to put the LS in. He just painted his engine bay. It looks super sick. Getting the details done, so we're gonna have to get lots of content on this thing because he's gonna make it pretty rowdy. It's gonna be, what are we calling it? Baby Panda?
That's what everybody's calling it. Yeah, Baby Panda.
Baby Panda, because it's got an LS, but he's gonna go single turbo instead of twins.
Single turbo in the hood. It's gonna have AC. It's gonna have heat. It's gonna be a street car.
Yeah, these things together, we got Panda right here, and then his 135 are gonna be Baby Panda. I think that name is sold already. It's gonna be so sick to have these two side by side going crazy. So, and let's take a look at Panda's tires from our video we filmed a few days ago.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
There's nothing left. We absolutely roasted our tires for that, but it came out good. That was a fun day. All right, guys, I just noticed that they put a big TV screen in the shop right here. So, yeah, while they work on cars, they can play my videos now. But we're checking out the hoodie reveal video because it just came out so good. Look how this thing's mounted. Right there. Damn, that's a good hoodie. I like what he's wearing. All right, guys, just got Speed FX. I got the car parts right here. We're about to go take a look. But, yeah, let's go hop in. We got Boba with us, too. Yeah, the red looks good with the color of the car, too. Check out these door handle, guys. They just pop out like that. This thing is ridiculous. We might take a ride in it. If you guys don't know, this is a fully electric Porsche, and it has one of the craziest launches. This thing is like perfectly modified. I love the ski box on top. Looks beautiful. This has got to be such a cool car being a kid.
Yeah, dude.
Sitting back there.
Well, and it's kind of funny. My kid's like a special needs kid, and so he's got real hypersensitive hearing, And so, uh-oh. Is that going to show? Something got in the way. Wow. So he's got like hypersensitive hearing. So he's used to my R8, my crazy cars that are loud. And I put him in it. It's like this, and I'm like, no, dude.
You don't got to worry about it.
Yeah.
There's no exhaust. All right, guys, let's hop inside of this thing. Gosh, this interior is beautiful. Wow, look at that roof as well. Full glass panel.
See out of it, huh?
Honestly,
Yeah.
this
See
is
the roof box?
just the way it looks itself, but the roof box makes it look nice, man.
Yeah, it really sets it off.
So right now it's there's like no sound generation or whatever, but now there is, right? So it's like a space show almost, dude.
That's kind of cool.
Isn't that weird? It's just trippy, dude.
So what does that sound? It's making it sound like an engine?
Yeah, just making it sound like a, I don't know, like a space show. But
That sounds so crazy. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Jeez, that pulls you back.
Just instant, no lag at all. Oh my gosh, those brakes.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna do launch control. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, my camera just like almost
Dude.
ready for that.
Dude, there's no like pushing yourself forward. It just pins you to your seat.
Dang, I've never felt that anywhere. It's pretty trippy.
All right, that is like, dude, that's like roller coaster experience right there.
Yeah.
And it's just quiet too.
this one's just
Thank you so much, man.
for sure.
That was insane.
Sorry
I've
for the
always
mess.
wanted to experience one of these.
What's up, man? It's crazy. Like the launch, I guess.
What up,
was
Mike?
What's up, man? How are you, Mike?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I was telling him the time, JR, when you launch, you're going to get food and my fucking phone hit me in the mouth.
Yeah, I tried to I don't even think I got like I recorded it and I went, oh, whoa.
Yeah, it
Next thing
definitely
you know, I
just
was like,
pins
yeah,
everything that you're holding to your freaking chest.
Ish.
How do you feel, man? First time seeing it in the sunlight.
Holy.
Wow.
I need those Bostons ASAP.
Dang. Oh, the matching wheel emblems. These caps look sick. Dude, that is so vibrant.
That looks so nice. Alright, but
Dang.
you're gonna have to like be careful.
That's so sick.
$30,000 job on some like
This is crazy.
crazy
Man.
tub like hot rod, you know?
It looks like paint too, which is crazy.
It does look like paint. I'm really blown away by this. This thing is looking super clean. So yeah, guys, he's also getting Vossen wheels for it, so it's really gonna set off just the whole look of the car. Almost looks like a darker, like Sakir orange. I really dig it. Yeah, guys, Brian and I are both pretty blown away on how good this X3M came out. This is definitely the move. I'm still feeling kind of dizzy and nauseous from that Porsche, not gonna lie. I'm like walking around and still getting head rushes. That thing, I can't explain how fast that Porsche was. Those brake calipers are massive.
That's why we were stopping so fast.
Massive. I know, dude, the stopping was just as intense as the acceleration.
Yep.
All right, Kenzie, what are your impressions?
Couldn't breathe for
Couldn't-
a second.
No, it's
I
pretty
think we need one,
intense.
Brian. I honestly think this is the next daily.
Did you launch it?
Yeah,
too?
he launched it. Oh yeah.
It's coming in.
It's insane.
I know I did. I was like, holy.
Wow, that X3M is no joke. I spun a little bit off the line, but that thing took off like a bat out of hell. So he's got downpipes, a tune on it and everything. I did not think that thing would pull like that. That was crazy. I want to try doing a roll race with it because I want to use my anti-lag, but geez, that thing was fast.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dude, they're really close.
What do you think?
Dude, I'm in shock. Like, that SUV is really fast, guys. It's no
Yeah,
joke.
and she didn't get that car, so I'll speak for the car right now.
that car, when you do a roll racing, you have to brake boost.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you do not brake boost, it takes forever to spool. Obviously, my girlfriend's still learning how to drive, or she knows how to drive it.
She did good on that race.
Yeah, but roll racing is really hard because you gotta brake boost, which I know she didn't, because when you do brake boost, it does take off harder, so.
Dang. Yeah, guys, I mean, that proves the point that S58 is no joke, so.
Yeah.
Good lineup for sure.
That's probably the best race we're gonna get today, because it's traffic.
Traffic's building up. All right, guys, we've got Kinsey driving the X3M. We're gonna do a launch because this is actually my first time in an X3M, and obviously the car beat my car, so I gotta see what it feels like. Honestly, guys, I'm super impressed though. Like the build quality, the interior, everything is so nice about this car. So let's see how this thing launches. Oh, shoot. What? No way. Wow.
So it launched pretty decent there, so.
Yeah, no, that definitely kicks me back.
Down there, guy.
I didn't feel any like buffer or anything. It just went straight for it.
Yeah. So obviously your longboard smacked the back, so.
Oh yeah, I did hear that.
Yeah.
Dang, yeah, I'm super impressed by this. It's like the all-wheel drive, just the S58. This engine has so much potential. I mean, this thing's on a off-the-shelf tune, downpipes and everything, and it already feels like this.
This is no E85. This is just all straight 91. So
yeah, it's crazy.
Once the car's on like an E30 blend, this car, it rips.
Yeah, it's really gonna wake up this engine.
Yeah. But
so, dang, I'm impressed. That was sick. Now I get why I beat my car.
It's
It
a
felt
fun
pretty
mom
quick.
car.
Yeah, this is the ultimate daily driver, though. It really is.
One, two, three.
Oh my gosh. This thing is no joke.
Yeah, that wasn't even in fast mode.
That wasn't in its sportiest settings?
Nope. That's just
Wow.
sport mode, not track mode. Holy
Alright, the back seat is actually insane. I've never been in a SUV that is so fast like this one. That is insane. Now I know why this thing beats my car. Alright guys, well we have a turn and event. I think we have a exhaust leak coming from the headers, and we also discovered a coolant leak. So Leanna, are we putting it on a tow truck tonight?
I think we might.
Dang, it's such a bummer. You guys can kind of see the fluid down there.
It's too cold for tow truck night.
Maybe you can see it, yeah, splashing right there. It's coming from that coolant hose right there. But check this thing out. I've never been in a Trackhawk, and this thing makes 1,000 horsepower. So this thing felt absolutely crazy. I love how it's all murdered out and blacked out. Lady driven too, so super cool. That explains the fast girl license plates and the pink supercharger. All right, guys, check this out. We're riding in the back seat of a 7 Series, and look at that night vision camera. That thing is so sick. And then we've got these like TV screens in the back seat. Look at that. Ultimate luxury back here. We got a little automatic. Wait. Oh, I turned the rear one on. How do I turn this one on? Look at that. Sun reflectors going up automatically. This thing is sick. Wait. Is it tuned? Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing moves actually. Yo.
Do it again!
Finish them off.
Oh, that's it?
Dude, your windows were so dark and the insulation of these doors, you couldn't hear it or see it. Yeah.
Dude, what the heck?
Oh, he's going back for it. No? What was that about?
Come on.
That is awesome. That was so much fun. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we got the little doggo. The little doggy back here. We got the tow truck arriving. As you can tell, the meet is completely empty. We are the last people here. Yeah, this is 1,000 horsepower lifestyle. Sometimes things break, so we're gonna have to tow the Trackhawk back home. But yeah, these guys are gonna save the day for us. And the front bumper clears it. It's okay, Trackhawk. We'll have you fixed up soon again. You guys can see the, yeah, the coolant that was leaking, so not good. No bueno. But we'll get her to the shop safely.